would say respectfully that I'm hurt as a black man to know that in this country there are schools that can tell your kids to cut your hair because you have lice. The constitutional rights is the freedom of expression, your right to religion, belief and conscience, equality before the law, equity, access to education. It should not be on the basis that your hair is if you have dreadlocks here that you have to cream your hair or you have to conform. Conforming is still a slave construct.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. You're here with your girl Jamaican Kim. So actually I'm in my daughter's room today, so you're gonna be seeing some words on the wall and stuff. Yeah, that's how I do in our room, like a classroom, because of the whole homeschooling thing and all of that. But even before that I had like stuff in our room and so on. Yeah, so anyways, today I actually want to do a video talking about a topic that's been going around, and it's been bothering me, so I just want to touch a little bit on that topic there. Yeah, so we're going to get into that. And guys, please, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, and give my video a thumbs up. Drop a comment at the end of the video, and you can share your opinion and whatever you think of the video. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. This video going around in Jamaica with a child that them turn out of the school because of her locks, of her dreadlocks. Come on now, a modern time. I don't understand all of them foolishness about that happening in Jamaica. Really? Why would a school turn out a child because of her natural hair? That just don't make no sense. You get what me I say? I think the government is supposed to step into this issue and do something about it, because it don't look good and it don't sound good. We always say Irie Jamaica. A Rasta say Irie, A Rasta say Irie. We they use the Rasta logo, the red, green and gold and all of these things to promote Jamaica, but at the same time we're turning out them children out of the school. We're banning them from the school. Does that make any sense? That doesn't make any sense, guys, honestly. And I'm so upset about this issue. I'm not a Rasta, but still I am so upset, man. This is stupidness. And I'm going to drop a clip, and I'm going to make you guys listen to a conversation that the parent had with the principal of that school, and hear how stupid that principal sounds. They discriminate the child and all of that, talking about her hair like she trying to say the child now wash her hair, or Rastafarian people or some nasty people or something. She need to fence up her talking. Honestly, I'm going to find a seat. Me believe that school need to shut down, or they need to do something about that school, because that is stupidness. So guys, just watch the clip, listen to the audio, tell me what you think about it.
And it is not something we took on because the classrooms are hot. We have a situation where we have to call parents, we have to wash their hair. We have to call parents to take, remove children. Here, twist
and again, that's discrimination. If you're saying my daughter's hair is going to be stink and licey versus a next person who has natural hair.
Avoiding that.
You understand?
We are avoiding that. You are clean.
No.
You are clean.
There is no difference. Once you have hair on your head, you need to wash it. You need to take care of your hair. So that in itself is discrimination. If you're going to sit here and believe that my child here is more at risk of getting lice, really? Don't tell me from experience. Do not tell me from experience. You're 20 years. And right now,
18 years of the school.
Right now,
you're talking to a principal in 35 years teaching. And I am saying this from experience.
Yes,
we have
your
had so many
experience.
parents coming
But
to the school.
do not tell me that my child child has a greater risk because of the heat and her hair that she gonna get less in her hair versus any other person here.
Okay. That is just one.
You cannot make that assumption.
Well,
based on experience, I don't care if it's 100 years of experience, you cannot make that assumption.
Mr. Robinson, that's a PTV.
Alright? And I'm not gonna stand up here any longer. Right?
Just 1 minute.
No, nobody else is gonna come here and try and bombard me. Right. They're gonna call 10 people against one person right now.
No, not against you because you
So,
but you
no,
put
I'm
it
gonna
against
leave.
the whole world.
I'm gonna leave right
No,
now.
the whole world. The whole
I'm gonna leave right
the
now.
whole world is against us now because it's on Facebook.
Yeah, man, that principal there is very, very rude. Very, very rude and out of order. I can't even express the words them what more have to express. Honestly, I can't even express it. Because me that right now me that does get out of order too. Her hair is natural. She have locks. That just doesn't add up. Talking about the classroom is hot and all of that, and that's why them don't accept kids with locks to come at their school and all. What kind of stupid school that? If the classrooms are hot, do some adjustment, no? Put in some extra windows, get some extra fans or whatever. Keep a PTA meeting and work with the parents, right? To make sure that they have enough fans and stuff to keep the classroom cool. This woman come to discriminate, do better than that. Right now she sound like she's a racist. We can't be fighting against one another, man. That's stupidness. Trust me, that's total stupidness. But how can you be turning your back on Rasta people and turning out their kids out of school, banning them from certain school because they have locks? That does not add up. But at the same time, we're using Bob Marley music to promote Jamaica. Think about it, guys. That just doesn't add up. We're using Bob Marley music and a lot of other popular musicians who are Rasta. But at the same time, we don't want their kids to be in certain school. At the same time, they're turning out the kids them that has the locks, they're turning them out of the schools. Don't use the Rasta them to promote Jamaica then. Don't use them at all. Total disrespect. Them need to fix up them thing. Honestly, them need to change that rules. If it's a rule at the school, which I think they said it's a rule, they need to change it because that's a very stupid rule. And to the way how that principal behaving, she need to check herself. Because she have a mental problem. She need to seek counseling and look into herself. And guys, if you even look at the picture of the little girl, her hair is so neat. It's not like her hair is all over the place. Her hair is properly groomed. You understand? Her hair is properly groomed, properly combed, and looks so good. But at the same time, that dirty principal have something bad to say about the child hair and her locks and all of that. You can bet that she not even wash her ears often as how that little girl be washing her hair. Trust me, you can bet. But I'm not all about that still. You know, but she grieved my spirit bad. She grieved me. She get me so upset. She's very, very rude. And if it was my child, trust me, I don't know how I would handle that situation because me that tell her some nasty words, honestly. Because she's too out of order. She's very out of order. But anyways, guys, drop your comments and tell me what you think about this topic and about the issue. Tell me what you think about it. Right? Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed. And I will see you again in my next video.
In 2020, you know, Black Lives Matter, and you know, everywhere, you know, people are declaring that we have to continue to fight and to declare that, you know, we have a voice, we matter, you know. Do not erase our heritage or Africanness, you know. So that is very important.